It's very simple to link your external MIDI controller devices to Reason or any propeller head product. Basically, what you do, say I've got a Korg, which I do have, a Korg Nano Controls, basically 9-channel USB MIDI controller. It's got 9 faders, 9 rotary knobs, and 2 on-off switches for each channel, which you can use for solo, mute, your fader volume, and your pan. So what you would do is you right-click on the fader for track 1 and go down to Edit Remote Override Mapping. Click on that, and then go into this box, and you're going to click Learn from Control Surface Input. Once that's highlighted, all you have to do is move the first fader on your Nano Control, and it's going to find it. Then you click OK. Now, when I hit my fader on track 1, it's controlling the fader. Now I can do the same thing with the mute, solo, and pan. So I'm going to right click on the pan, edit remote override mapping. Now the box is already checked, so I just need to turn my knob a little bit. There we go, we found it. Now I'm going to do the same for the mute and solo. Right click on mute. There we go. And once again, I'll do that for my solo button. Once again, it's already set up. I just gotta hit the button. Now it's okay. So now, basically, I can do that with any of the controls. You can go to the transport. If I just hit sequencer or rack, now I got my transport on. All I have to do is right-click on the record button, right-click on the play, stop, rewind, fast forward. Any button, all you do is right-click on it, and you can use any type of MIDI controller, and basically press that key, button, knob, or fader, or switch, and it will take control of that button in the software. And you can make templates and get everything all set up so that every time you open up a project, you already can use all of your MIDI controllers to control your software. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to my mixer. I'm going to hit play on my Axiom 25 keyboard, and then I'm going to mess around with track 1. Very simple. Now just take a look at this mixer. Right here you have effects returns, basically where sends, and then the returns are over to the right and what they are. You can use any of the audio effects processing units. Right now, basically what I have set up, I have a plate on number 1. We've got a room on 2, tape echo, a delay. I'm using the scream. Advanced reverb, guitar amp, and a bass amp. You can always alter those at any point. If we scroll up on this mixer, we'll see our effects inserts, and then our EQ section, which is lovely. My favorite, the low pass filter and a high pass filter. So I'm gonna hit start again. Solo the drums. I'm going to turn my filter around. Now all I've got is the low frequencies at this point. Now you can, once again, any kind of MIDI controller you have, you can right click on one of these knobs and control it with any of your MIDI controllers. My mouse pointer right here, and I'm going to mess with that knob. Bring it back up. And all this is fully automatable. Last thing I'm going to show you in this video is just the master bus compressor, which I'm going to turn on. Hit play. I'm going to unsolo the drum. All right, there's a little bit of what you can do in propellerheads record by taking audio files from other applications and importing them in. Very simple, straightforward video, nothing in detail, nothing complex. Doesn't take any great skill to do what I did. And I hope you guys come back to watch some more videos. Take care of yourselves and stay blessed, and represent Divine Beats 315, Syracuse, New York. Meow.